How to create stunning animations in Canva. Go to Elements tab and search for Man Walking. Reposition the element. Next, go to Animate tool. Select Create an Animation. Now, you can drag the element to create animation. You may also adjust the speed of the animation. Let's add another element to the design. I'll add an adorable bee. Let's add an animation to the bee. If you dislike the animation, you can delete the path and redo. Let's add a background picture. Now let's preview the outcome. Click Download button if you're satisfied. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Please like and follow my channel for more fun and exciting Canva tricks. See ya!